Hey guys, I'm back again. It's Keisha with Side Hustle Keisha. I upload videos and tips on ways that you can make money from home, find amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. Everything on this channel is about making money. On this channel, I'll focus on finding you opportunities that are remote or work from home. That is the number one option, is to find you work from home opportunities, remote opportunities, and I'll get you out of the house every now and then with some cool side hustles. Some of the side hustles, most of the side hustles you'll be able to do from home, but every now and then I want to get you out of the house because you know what? I don't like to be in the house all the time working. So it's fun to get out, meet new people, and try new things. So listen, make sure you guys subscribe, hit this notification button every time I upload a video. You'll be notified if you're in the subscription spot squad. If you are in the know, so you're notified. Let me tell you guys, everything that I do here is for multiple reasons here. One is because 80% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. We have to decrease that 80%. So we need to get it down, right? Because I'm a single mom, I'm very familiar with living paycheck to paycheck. I've had to do it in the past and it's not a good feeling. So I've always had a side hustle to supplement my income. So here on this channel, we're going to promote side hustles, and we're going to promote entrepreneurship, and we're going to help you and give you tips to guide you through that process. So today I am talking about an opportunity that I keep seeing on social media, and it sounds like a cool, new, hot company. This is a passive income opportunity, okay? This is a passive income opportunity about a new product, a new multi-level marketing company called Tava, you guys. So I was introduced to Tava by a dear and a good friend. Her name is Tammy Faye. We partnered in a previous company. She was my upline, and she helped me, get acclimated to that company, and she became a good friend along the way. So I wanted to take a look at Tava tonight, but I said, why take a look alone? I might as well take a look with you guys, all my subs and my new subs that will be watching this in the future. Um, so we can just research Tava together. Okay, so I just pulled up the website tonight, so I'm just going to be going through what Tava, who's Tava, what Tava's all about. And this is Tammy's Faye page. If you end up being interested, here is her information, and I'll drop it below in the description box so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so let's go over Tava. Let's talk about why Tava. Okay, let's see what why Tava takes us to. Okay, why Tava. Okay. Have you ever met someone that has benefited from a perfect timing? Have you ever been left feeling that if given the same information and the same opportunity, you may have benefited in the same way? Well, today is your day. A massive movement is about to land on the direct sales industry, and it will change your life and your lifestyle. Now is the time to position yourself ahead of the wave. Our company and leadership consist of some of the most successful people in the industry with over 100 years of combined experience. This is a company that will allow you to be yourself while using your gifts and talents to earn the income you have always wanted. By acting now and securing your spot, you put yourself in a position for success. Now is the time to lock your spot at $49.99 and change your life and your lifestyle on your terms. Timing is critical. Your future can be altered forever. Lock your spot by September 3rd. Okay, so it's saying lock your spot by September 3rd here. Okay, so let's look at the Tava products and see what they have to offer. Uh-oh, let's go back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Let's go to Tava products. We should be there. Okay, so we are at the Tava products. So here's the first product, the Kai Detox. Let's see, is designed to gently and effectively cleanse your body of everyday impurities and allow you to feel your best self. Infused with Kasai Augustophilia. Listen, it got a lot of stuff in it. Corica papaya extract, chamomile extract and fiber. It has another Kai Detox is designed to promote weight loss and increase your energy. Kai Detox also contains, listen, it has a lot of stuff in it, people. So they have a detox, it looks like a detox tea. Yep, it's a detox tea. And let's get into some of the supplement facts. Okay, so just goes over the serving and ingredients there that we just discussed. So here is Veil. Because Veil 30 is a liquid extract, it may be better choice for those with busy lifestyles or digestive concerns. Not only Veil 30, a potent source of vitamin A, is a unique antioxidant blend of conazine and lycopene. I hope I'm saying that right. Green tea extract, lutein, and carnosine. Okay, so listen, Veil also contains a daily dose of glucosamine to preserve your joint health and provides 95% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin D. And if that's not enough, Veil is also packed with B1, B12, and B6. Veil 30 result is higher bioavailability, thus allowing more of the Veil 30's vital ingredients to assimilate quickly and efficiently. Sorry, guys. So I'm thinking about this Veil. It sounds really good. Let's talk about Vita. Let's see what Vita is about. Vita is a tablet, so keep your energy running high with Vita and energy capsules. Our unique combination of amino acids, probiotics, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals support energy production and work on a cellular level to increase your energy. Vita capsules are high in important B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, and also contain branch chain of amino acids. Vita is also high in minerals such as chromium, selenium, which may also increase the muscle growth and help regulate your metabolism. For an added energy boost, Vita capsules contain green coffee bean extract, green tea, and guaranin. Green coffee bean extract is high in chlorogenic acids, which is believed to have weight loss effects. Okay, so Vita Plus capsules also contain a whole bunch of other stuff, people. So they got 3 products so far. Listen, sounds good. Hey, we all about losing weight, and it's nice to try something new. You can't stick with the same thing forever. You can lock in your spot for $49. And let's see here. Let's go over to, let me tell you a little bit about Miss Tammy Faye. Okay, so wait a minute. Let's look at the compensation plan really quick. So here's the compensation plan. You sign up for 49 equals 1 year with a 49 yearly renewal. Buy a pack and 49 waive for the rest of the year. Now that sounds interesting. There are 5 forms of compensation reward in the Tava compensation plan: retail profits, quick start bonus, binary pay, check match pay, profit sharing pool, plus a bonus. Get 3 and get it free. That's always good. If you got 3 customers, you're getting your product for free. So that's cool. Qualifying for commission. Become active to earn compensation. You must remain active. To be considered active requires a personal purchase of qualifying product with commissionable volume of 40V or more on the monthly anniversary date of your previous order. This may vary from the 28th to the 31st depending on the month. As an associate begins the development of their sales teams by introducing other associates who also enroll with Tava, the volume V created by the sales activity of their team associates will accumulate and hold until the associate meets the qualification to be paid on the activity as long as the associate remains active. Active grace period. Your activation starts when you have a personal order placed within a minimum of 40 volume, and will remain active till the same date on the following month. Tava's active grace period will allow you you to continue to accumulate volume only from your teammates for a period of 7 days. No commission of any kind will be earned during this period. Example, John signs up July 4th, 2019 with one product with volume, 40 volume. He's now active till 11:59 p.m. August 4th, 2019. If his qualifying volume is 10,000 QV at 5 p.m. August 4th, and he does not have a personal order placed by 11:59 before midnight, y'all. On August 11th, all TQ will flush 100%. Become qualified after you become active. You'll teach 2 personally enrolled associates to do the same, then you become qualified. So you'll be qualified for this this commission when you get 2 people qualified, okay? Okay, so basic terms to know. PV, also known as personal volume, okay? V is commissional volume. Weekly bonus. The weekly bonus period starts each Friday morning at 12 Central Time and ends at Thursday night. We already talked about that 11:59 Central before midnight, y'all. Qualification period. They have a qualification period, carryover volume, active associate, meaning that you minimum active monthly requirement is 40V, active customer 40V. Customers is a person in the system that has not personally enrolled 2 people. So you gotta be active. You don't have 2 people enrolled, you're not active, okay? So you have 5 ways to get paid with this company. Now, if you have further information on this is detailed, I want you to go over and reach out to Tammy Faye. But I wanted to just share this opportunity for you to have passive income. So anytime you're building a team, this is residual income, okay? So you repeatedly get paid on the efforts of other people. So just wanted to share this opportunity with you. I have not tried the product yet. I cannot give you my recommendation or give you a review on the product. I just know I've been seeing it all over social media. And if you're looking for something to get involved in early, this looks like the opportunity to be involved in. I want to jump over to my Facebook. So I'm just introduce you to Tammy Faye, just so you know who she is. Okay. That's Miss Tammy Faye. Let's jump over to her. If you guys are interested in Tava and have been seeing that on online, because I have been seeing it, probably because I follow a couple of people who have recently joined, okay? Because right now you have an opportunity to get in at a groundbreaking level, a ground floor level. So that's why I want to share this opportunity with you. So here is Miss Tammy Faye. This is her Tava Talk page. If you're on Instagram, jump on over to Tava Talk, follow her. Her website will be in the description box below. But look, these people have locked their spot in, okay? So this is a cool little movement right now. If you love multi-level marketing and you want to get on something new, this one is moving pretty fast. I've been watching it on social media, and I've been watching all the people that are joining, and know some of these people posted in this here in this on this Instagram page. So it shows you, all the people that joined the opportunity. And again, I think Tammy is a great leader, and I haven't tried the product. I look forward to, maybe getting some samples and see what it's about. I am not in this opportunity, but I thought I'd definitely share this opportunity with you all. At $49 to join in, you definitely in the early stages right now. They said September 3rd. Let's go back to the website, because I did see a countdown. I want to get some clarity on what this countdown was all about. Hold on, let's see if it'll take us back to it, because the countdown said today starts the beginning of the countdown. Tava products and awareness. See, it's saying you have 1 day and 11 hours and 43 minutes. So one thing said, well, now look, here it says October 1st. I knew I saw October 1st. So, and then on the other thing we read, it said October 3rd. So if you're interested in, this will be the best time to join, because it's the beginning. And it's always great to get in a company at the beginning. So reach out to Miss Tammy Faye. I'm going to flash her information back up here on the screen. Her website will be in the link below. I believe it's www.tavatalk.com. If you get it from her Instagram, it wasn't working for me. I had to do the Tava. I think I put a period in it. But anyway, I'll put it in the link below. You guys jump over and check out Tava. If you've been seeing it online, check out and get and connected with Miss Tammy Faye. So I'm always bringing you opportunities for you to make money from home. Opportunities for you to make passive income. This is a great opportunity with the right tools so that you can get in front of your audience that you need to on social media. This is a great opportunity for you to join this, take some tips, and learn about the tools that will get you in front of your audience. Use YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to get in front of people and find out about the new tools that are being used so that you can maximize online and social media. And I think you'll do great in this opportunity. Reach out to Miss Tammy Faye and let her know Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha sent you. You guys have a great night. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Facebook, and social media. That's Side Hustle Keisha. Make sure you drop below in the comments to get the links to these opportunities. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.